This is my life after work. This is what I come home to. Love my little pomegranate tree plant. Thank God they made it through the winter. Oh, check this out. It survived. Okay, so good. And my little peach tree made it through the winter. More pomegranate tree. My pineapple didn't make it. Hopefully it will. Another pomegranate plant. Made it through pretty good through the winter. So pomegranate do good in Alabama. Okay, good to know, good to know. And look at this beauty right here. My cherry tree. I love coming home and seeing these guys. And this is loquat or kumquat. Kumquat, something like that. Made it through the whole winter. And this is what tree is this? It's not a peach tree, but I don't know, but I think I'll remember it in a minute. Yeah, it did pretty good. However, these didn't do too well. I gotta clean up a little bit. Been kind of lazy. Ooh, got a package. All right, let me get in here and take a shower, get some eat, fixing something to eat. And I'll see y'all in a minute.